Alright, now we're going to use test scripts, right? Test scripts with any manipulation is the best way to go. Because, like I said, CFGs, they're good for just basic commands and they're good for just binds, right? Test scripts, though, are way better for actual entity manipulation. So, let me go ahead and show you. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to create a prop, right? And we're going to make it do something. So first off, what I'm going to do is we're going to need to create a prop. So how do we create a prop? Well, you just use... Now, we just need the model, right? So where do we get the model? We get it from actual L4d2 itself. This is called GCF Skate, by the way, if you want to be able to look through all your stuff for L4d2. Okay, so now I'm going to go to models. And then we're going to do something. We're going to do infect. Now the anim stuff, don't worry about that. We don't worry about that. We're going to do a boomer. We're going to do OK boomer. Actually, no, because we're going to do the boomette. Because this is one you can actually color. You can't color the boomer for some reason. There's a few of them that you can't color. It's just weird. So what we're going to do is we're going to remember the directory. So models, infected, boomer. Also, give me a second. Okay, so excluding the models folder, I'm going to go check real quick. So we're going to do infected / boomer. Right. Now we're going to edit it. So endfire is what you need to edit, of course, right? So endfire. Now, here's the problem, right? Okay, let me go to the game real quick. Problem is, if we go ahead and try to end fire, it's going to do all of these, right? Because it's prop dynamic. It's going to do every single one. I did not change that. It's going to do all of these. That is not what we want. We just want to do that one specific thing. So how do we fix that? Well, it is quite simple, actually. All we have to do... I'm back. Yeah, it's a big one, right? But let me go ahead and just go step by step. First, I'm going to unpause it because I'm in dev mode. And when you go into console, it pauses it and that can cause some issue. Then I'm going to kill Bobby, any existing Bobbies. This will make it so that way you don't have the same prop spawning over and over again. It'll kill it and it'll spawn it. This one obviously was props, already went over this. We went through all this. I'm actually using the boomette this time. I'm actually using the boomer because on PC you can actually color the infected since they fixed that in the last stand. Okay, and we're gonna give it a target name so we can target it more better. Go, right? So using target name Bobby, we can do Bobby. We can whoa, that's what anyways, so we can target Bobby, right? This is gonna change the angle so that way they're on the floor, because for some reason the boomer is positioned like flat on the ground, which is weird. Then we're gonna give it its class name so that way we can't edit the prop dynamic, so we can't do like end fire prop dynamic kill and we won't accidentally kill it. So, activator. Who's the activator? You are the activator because you shot it. So, when it takes damage, apply red to whoever shot. And then the number 2 right here, this is the delay. So, after 2 seconds, change it to green. After 4 seconds, change it to blue. And this right here, this will just teleport Bobby somewhere. So you can put wherever you want Bobby at, right? And now, here we go, set parent activator right here. This fixes the collision for the boomer. L4d2, you don't have to worry about this, really. It's really rare. But Tf2, you want to do this at the end of your test script. You want to parent everything on you and clear it. I've actually found this out myself. No one has really found it out. I found out that it actually fixes stickies and it fixes pipes going through. It's amazing. This fix is great. It doesn't fix everything. Like, it won't fix funk walls and stuff. That's a whole different topic. Let's go see what it looks like in game, shall we? As you can see, that is there. So now so I should change color 3 times, right? I'm red. Now I'm green. And now I'm blue.
Oh my god, no way guys, it's so insane.
But what if there was a better way? What if there was a better way of writing this? So that way we don't have to do out output 500 times. That we don't have to do all like this right here, right? If I told you there is a way, and I'm gonna show you how. We're gonna use end key value. And I will be right back after it is completely done. Now, as you can see, it is much more condensed. It's like so much better, right? So instead of having to do out output origin, out output render clay, out output angles, out output class name, target name, it's just one, all in one line right here. See, this is really nice. You could put all the take damage together as well, but you also do need to mind that you can only have 250 characters in an end value per line. You can have 255 and then do another 255 here. Another thing is you cannot have multiple of the same number. So if you want to make another one, you'd have to do 9736, for example. You can't have the same one. So that's like the only downside, but it's also really good. It's good for management. This is great because you can also name target name and class name together at the same time. You could do, oh, this is so amazing, right? Let me go ahead and show you something in the game. So a problem we have is if I shoot it, you see it's red, green, blue, right? So if I shoot it, and if it turns to green, if I shoot it again, it's going to be red, and it's going to be blue, and then it's going to be green, and it's going to be blue again. Now I'm going to show you how to combat that, right? And we're going to use a logic relay. So logic relay is amazing, and it's yeah, you get it. It's great. Right now, as you can see, I changed this to Bobber because they both have the same class name Bobber now, so they'll both get killed at the same time. So this already know about this. Rename the original so it doesn't mess with anything else. So you can create these both at the same time, right? You can create both of these at the same exact time because they're different entities. If you have 2 props, this won't work. If you have 2 relays, it won't work. If you have 2 different entities, it is fine. So there we go. This is this right here, right? We all know this. This one doesn't need angles or origin or any of that because it's just a relay, right? This is the relay. 9736 is the key value. There we go. So instead of making the prop trigger all the things, we're going to use the relay. So what does this look like in game? Well, let's go ahead and check, shall we? So when I shoot it, right, it does a normal thing: red, green, and then blue. But look what happens if I spam it. See, it still continues on, right? So there's also another thing you can do, right? Spawn flags, right? Spawn flags are great. So let me go ahead and show you that real quick. So this is the logic relays spawn flags. As you can see, these little flags right here, right? Flags. So I'm going to show you what allow fast retrigger does. So how can we edit this? Well, it's quite easy. Let me go ahead and show you. That's it. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like it's in game now. It is absolutely killing itself today. I don't know why it's breaking. Okay, well, the prop is right here for some reason. The boomer is just really weird. I don't know why it does that. If we go ahead and shoot it, right, red, green, right, and if we shoot again, it's red. So that's what a lot of fast retrigger does, right? It's like the same thing as like the prop, unless you redo it. So that's how you can mess with spawn flags, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all you need to know about like entity manipulation. Now I'm just gonna show you in different tutorials what like more entities you can mess with, what their specific cases are, you know, all that kind of stuff. Because there's a lot of stuff you can do. You can make random events. You can make just like you can make loops. Loop as in like, let's say I want to make myself like rainbow or something, and you can make it be rainbow. Oh, I should probably go over class name as well. I could probably do that real quick. So there's some specific class names that make it so that way this entity would stay forever, right? So one of them is like world spawn. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. So what world spawn does is, so let's go ahead and try to call a vote. I'm not sure if this will work on PC, but this should theoretically stay even when I restart the round. It does. See, I'm completely normal. Everything's normal. The whole map got reset. No, it's not no fluke, right? The entity's still right here for some reason. This boomer is just really weird. But yeah, he's gonna stay. And where the freak do I shoot? I don't know where the shoot thing is. But that's how you can make things stay. So that's always great. And I think that's pretty much it. Now. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you.